Hey everybody, Mike here. So I want to take a second and show you this garage door opener I put in at my parents' a couple weekends ago. Now this is a Chamberlain garage door opener that I put up, and it's model number B4603T. Let's turn you around and take a look at this thing together real quick. So here's the actual garage door opener itself that I got mounted on the ceiling. This is a belt drive unit with steel reinforcements in the belt, and it's extremely easy install. Now I've put up several of these things over the years. If it's your first time putting one of these up, it might be a little daunting. The one surprise I did come across in the box this time, there were no physical instructions in the box. I had to go to the internet and source that just to make sure there wasn't anything different that had come up since the last one I'd put in. So this is a 3/4 horsepower garage door opener. The light you see there that's on is 1,000 lumens. That's actually pretty bright for a garage door opener. Most of the time they just come with sockets where you put your own bulbs in. This one's got a built-in light, so I'm not sure how long that'll last. I'm hoping that'll last them quite a while, and once that light goes out, I don't know how much of a pain that's going to be to replace or try to get that fixed. So we'll have to see with time how that works for them. The hardware is pretty standard on this thing compared to every other brand I've seen over the years, along with the bracket. You get your emergency pull here like any other garage door has. The sensors are extremely easy to mount. They just clip onto the side of the rails. That's how a lot of them are coming these days, versus the ones where you have to screw to the wall. Once everything's wired and installed, you'll get a green light on one, and the other one will have an amber light like you see there. This also came with a keypad, which we installed on the frame outside the garage door that they were able to program to the code they wanted, which is extremely easy. It's a wireless deal, just mounts with 2 screws to the frame, and then they just selected a 4-digit code that they wanted to be able to use. Here's the control here that goes mounted next to the door, and this is what they use to operate their door. Now, if you lift that cover up, there's a couple more buttons that you have there. You can lock this garage door opener like if you're going to go on vacation or whatnot, and then you got a learn button if you ever want to program more remotes like you see here. And this is what it comes with. It comes with 2 of these 3-button remotes. It's already pre-programmed, the big button here, and then you've got 2 more buttons if should you have more than one garage door opener you want to program to these remotes. Let me go ahead and open this for you real quick. I'll let you hear what this thing sounds like. Other than my parents' garage needing to be greased because it's a little squeaky side right now, the garage door opener itself, in combination with the belt drive, extremely quiet. Way quieter than the old unit they had here that burned up. So overall, my parents have been extremely impressed with this garage door opener. They said it's a night and day difference and probably 10 times better than the unit they already had installed in here before, which in its defense was quite a bit old. It'd been up here for years. But over the last month they've had this working and operating. It's been a great little unit. I've always been a big fan of Chamberlain. It's been one of my favorites over the years that I've installed. So if you're looking for a new garage door opener, check out this one made by Chamberlain. In the end, I think you'll be extremely happy with this brand and what they've got to offer. That's all I got for you today, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully that gave you a little insight about Chamberlain garage door openers and what they've got to offer. You guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.